What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2023 Toyota Corolla using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. Also, if you're using an iPhone, we'll also look at how we can enable Apple CarPlay. But the first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone settings, go into your Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. From the left-hand side of the screen, I'm going to click the phone menu right here. Then I'm going to click Connect a Device. Now I'm going to grab my phone, and under the available devices, it'll pop up as Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does. So here we'll click OK, and then we'll grab our phone and click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. So now we're connected, and then we'll get the prompt to enable Apple CarPlay here. So once this pops up, just click Use Apple CarPlay. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.